right there. Is that it? I'm not sure. Oh, this is Dayton. I mean, Bridgewater. This is Bridgewater.
Oh.
We passed it already.
You know where the tank, water, the 42?
Oh, there's a water tank?
Yeah.
Traffic Cherokee 305, Mike Charlie, passing to runway 5 for departure
the
to the
park over
north.
there.
Okay, I'll go that way. Oh yeah, the shopping center is over there.
This is cargo.
Yeah, this is Bridgewater.
Yeah, cargo
It should be over there. I'll put it on your side so you can find it.
Close the Keister School.
Okay.
You know where?
I know where the Heisenberg High School is, but
Yes, around there.
it should be coming up. Oh, this is it right here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put it on your side. I don't see the water tank, but I think I see Walmart. Yeah, that's Walmart. The big building right here.
Oh.
You live right by there, or there's a water tank over here?
I want to see.
Okay, that should be Walmart right there.
This is Walmart?
Yeah, yes.
That's Walmart.
Beside the Walmart food line, on the food line, we are there.
Oh, okay, so look for your house then. Oh, you need to bring this now. I'm sorry.
There is car wash on 42.
Well, see, this is Walmart.
Yes.
Why don't you look for it? Look for the car wash and... You see the Walmart?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. I know for a fact that is Walmart. That's for sure. There's a little racetrack down here.
So this is the tank.
Oh, the tank. Okay. So where's your house
Yeah.
now?
I think this is three. Here.
Where is the park? This is the park?
Yeah, this is the park. So I think
Yeah, I turn
this
around.
house in the circle.
Yeah, make a circle and then you look for it.
Yeah.
Did you find your house?
Uh-huh. This is the CVS, yeah. And go down the park. Yeah. Oh, this is the circle, my house.
Okay.
From the...
So go ahead, take a picture.
Okay.
And then later you can make it closer.
Here, this circle. Did you see the red car? Red car?
No, I'm not sure.
Yeah,
take a picture, you can look at it later.
Yeah, this one here.
Okay. I'm going to go back to Harrisonburg.
Uh-huh. Yeah, here, yeah.
About the high school.
The high school is back here. It's on this side.
Around the Finder Keeper Middle School.
Oh, Finder Keeper.
Yeah.
That's over here somewhere. Yeah, there's Food Max right there. Finder Keeper right there. Right there. You see Food Max parking lot right here?
Yes.
This is 33. Finder Keeper is right there.
Yeah, in the front of middle school.
Right.
Thomas Harrison. Finder Keeper, I know.
Shannon traffic, Cessna 12 Victor, over Harrisonburg at 3,000 feet, maneuvering. Shenandoah. And that's JMU, all the buildings, ISAT and all of them. And there's a stadium, JMU Stadium. This is Main Street, that's a new building they're building. And that's 81.
Shenandoah traffic, Cherokee 305, Mike Charlie is departing runway 5 to the north.
Shannon traffic, Cessna 12 Victor. We're about 8 miles north of the airport, inbound for landing runway 5, Shenandoah. We're cruising at 3,000 feet right now. Look at this house on this side, see how big it is. In the woods. You'll never see that on the ground.
Shenandoah traffic, Cherokee 305, Mike Charlie departed runway 5. We are passing through 2000, heading north.
I'm going to be looking for you. I'm coming back to the airport.
Roger, we'll do the same.
Okay, Cindy, I got you.
Roger, 05, Mike Charlie. Tally ho with you also.
How you find your way?
Huh?
How you find your way?
Yeah, I'll find him. See, there's an airplane right there. I was looking for him. The lady.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, you just get to recognize. So like driving a car. But I do have a map over here. And I do have a GPS on my telephone.
Okay.
Did you flying every day?
Not every day, no. Once a week.
Once a week?
On Sundays. Good days.
Aynı Kaşange.
Yeah. Shenandoah traffic, Cessna 12 Victor on a 45 for left downwind, runway 5, Shenandoah. You see the airport? That's the airport. You see it? Oh, right there. Empty area. You see it in just a second. To the runway. Yeah, that's the runway right there. Shenandoah traffic, Cessna 12 Victor, left downwind, runway 5, Shenandoah. Full stop landing, Shenandoah. To the airport. Gonna go like this and then that way base and then final and then you land. Everybody does the same thing. I'm putting my flaps down, about 10 degrees for now. Shenandoah traffic, Cessna 12 Victor, turning base, runway 5, Shenandoah. Shenandoah traffic, Cessna 12 Victor, turning final, runway 5, Shenandoah.
So you take...
Yeah, you have to circle.
Yeah, to circle.
Everybody does the same thing. Here's the air condition.
It's funny.
You liked it? Shenandoah traffic, Cessna 12 Victor, clear the active, taxi into the ramp, Shenandoah.